we're gonna do an unboxing here of this Element 2.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer, model ESBAB21RTR, and that is right here. So you know the model, because you know you look for stuff like this since it's a little cheaper. A lot of times you look it up online, YouTube, and you can't find it. So I wanted to show you all this. I like the price point of it. It was $120, but it was on sale. They usually put them on sale for like $99. So it say, hey, a subwoofer with the, you know, the soundbar with the subwoofer, wireless, Bluetooth, Roku TV, cords. This one comes with obviously the cords, power cords, one for the soundbar, one for the wireless speaker. Then it come with the remote, with the batteries, mounting hardware, and a cable. Hey, give it a run. Let's see what it do. Okay. Take the styrofoam away. Oh wow. This subwoofer is small and light. Kind of toyish feel. It really is. Kind of toyish feel. But hey, we're gonna see if it's $100 certified. Is it worth it? Say if he was paying $100 for this regular price, would it be worth it? Nice premium seat, and this is good to go. Set that to the side here. Set that to the side here. That's that subwoofer here. That's the setup. Get this out the way, but this is the other contents of the package. Hey, I'm going crazy. This Element remote here. Nothing special. There it is out the pack. Boom. There you go with that. Up. And this is a nice HDMI cord one. Undo that. Up, here go your battery. Them J-Yang. Here goes some batteries for you. Some AAA J-Yangs. J-Yangs. Yeah. You got registration, you got some mounting hardware. Yeah, that's about adequate. There's some little cheap little anchors, but that speaker is not heavy at all. So it definitely will do a good job. And this is a good old user manual for your old heads that still like to have user manuals. Which is cool, you know. And then you can toss it away. All right, put y'all on pause one more time. Get these batteries in here, get this stuff plugged up. We come back and see what it's talking about. All right, now we back, everything hooked up. This is what it looks like. Everything that come in the box, batteries installed in remote, use manual, HDMI, soundbar with the subwoofer. Let's give it a shot. See what it can produce. See what it can do. All right, let me let y'all in on the insight here. I don't want to confuse y'all. Y'all don't want to do what I did. This blue button here, this pairing button on the back of this subwoofer, don't get to touching that and doing all that stuff. Because if you do, then you're going to have to come over here on the side of here, put this in, hit the power button on here on the soundbar, and change the mode to line. Hold that power button down for 5 seconds to do a reboot. And then it's going to reset it and go into off mode. And then you press it on again, and then that's going to automatically should fire up and reconnect. But if you get a little turnaround, like I say, you got your manual there, you could check it out. But you don't want to do like I did on that. So anyway, all right, now we back. Subwoofer is paired, because I'm like, man, this thing sounds booty. And I know, you know, a little subwoofer definitely helps with sound. So I'm gonna put this on top here. to get it up off the ground, off the floor a little bit, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. My phone is all the way up. Subwoofer definitely helps. Subwoofer definitely helps. We at 30, phone all the way up. Yeah, without a subwoofer, you have nothing. It ain't gonna blow the doors off anything, but I'm liking it. The volume go to 45. Right now we at 30. So 35. Without that subwoofer, this boy was booty, but it's all right. $100. Let's get back to it. Y'all don't want to see me, y'all want to see this. All right, that was the unboxing test of the Element 2.1 with the Bluetooth. Y'all know that Bluetooth has a lower sound than the aux. So with aux, it should sound even better. E93 is more of a flat sound. 91 is like neutral. 92 is where you want to be. E92, that's where you want to be at on the sound on this thing. Alright. Right now we at 30. Let's crank this up. E93, that's coming in flat. 91 is okay, but 92 is where you need to be. Yeah, there you go. We at 40. Like I say, man, long story short, do I think this is a good buy? I think it's a good, solid buy. Especially a budget person needs something. Maybe you don't even have a big room or anything like that. This will definitely be okay for you. You know what I'm saying? $100, it's 120 regular, 100 usually on sale. A lot of times come with the different extras. I think it's a good buy. Me, myself, I really think it was a good buy because I know I was telling y'all earlier about the price point, and the price that I paid for this was like, it was on sale for Christmas for about $75. Then they had a coupon, so it got $15 extra off. So that brought this speaker all the way from 120 down to 60 essentially. You know what I'm saying, with the deals and everything. And then, you know, holiday time, end up getting a $25 gift card. So that knocked another 25 off. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think it's a good solid speaker. Even, you know, what I paid, you know what I'm saying, definitely pick it up without a doubt if you get extra incentives. But if not, I still think, you know what I'm saying, it's a decent buy for $100 or whatever, you know what I'm saying. But always look for a little coupon, see if you can save a couple dollars. Who don't like saving a little bit? At least I know I do. But anyway, it's a good review of the Element Soundbar 2.1 with the subwoofer.